Hey everyone, today we are taking a closer look at the AmiCane Smart Walking Companion by MNPR Health Guides, walking you through exactly what comes inside the box and how to set up in just a few minutes. Now the box itself comes tightly wrapped in a thin protective layer of plastic to ensure everything arrives safely. Looking at the packaging, it clearly highlights all the safety features built right into the device, like fall detection, SOS alerts, an LED torch, and geofencing. It also features a handy getting started guide right on the inside panel. Since I have already lifted the components out of the box to show you, let's do a quick inventory check of what you get right here on the table. We have the main AmiCane shaft with its premium ergonomic handle, the separate quad pod stability base, the provided Allen key for installation, and the official instruction guide. The instruction guide, the Allen key, and the fixture to fix the main AmiCane shaft into this quad pod. Step 1 of getting the AmiCane ready for you, for your loved one, is attaching this heavy duty, self-standing quad pod base to the bottom of the cane shaft. Okay. Allen key is included. Allen key is included right here, so you don't have to go hunting through a toolbox. The fixture, the Allen key, the shaft, and the base. This is what we will need to assemble. So placing shaft inside the quad pod. Okay. Look at the alignment. Taking this fixture, it goes into the bottom part of the quad pod, fixing it. Initial few turns you can use your fingers, and to tight we can use this Allen key. Just tight it as tight as you can. That's it. So AmiCane is assembled. Okay. Now that the physical assembly is out of the way, it is time to boot up the smart system. If you look at the top of the handle, you will notice a control panel with the 3 buttons. We have a white button, an orange, and a green. To turn the AmiCane on for the very first time, we need to press and hold down the white and orange buttons simultaneously. We need to keep them pressed for a few seconds until we hear 4 distinct electronic beeps. which tells us that the internal sensors and microcontroller are live. Let's do that. Okay. With the cane fully assembled and active, the final piece of the puzzle is the official instruction guide included in the box. Step-by-step instruction manual or instruction guide. This guide is incredibly user-friendly. It provides step-by-step instructions on how to download the companion mobile app, how to pair the cane to a family member's phone via Bluetooth, and how to set up emergency contacts for the SOS button and automatic fall detection alerts. Okay, since we made this AmiCane live, let me, so false detection got triggered. So let me turn it off. Okay. So setting up the AmiCane is truly that quick and simple. In just about 5 minutes, you go from individual components to a fully functional smart safety device that gives seniors independence and families true peace of mind. All the important contact details, website links, and partnership information will be displayed on the screen right now. Thank you for watching.